Si Yusek Claire Castro,
Hmm.
yung style na ho ba ng kaniyang pagsagot sa media, pag-aanunsyo, ito ho ba talaga yung estilo na na-foresee po ninyo noon pa o parang isang ano po ito, surprise para sa inyo?
Lord, ano lang no? Bago ako dumating dito, siguro mga 3 or 4 months before I came in, nandito na si Yusek Claire, no? As,
Opo,
as
opo.
the presidential spokesperson and our head
Mhm,
for the Palace Press Office, no?
mhm, mhm,
When she got on board, alam naman natin yung estilo ni Yusek Claire, no? And siya talaga may sarili siyang estilo that really resonates to a large audience, no? So, siguro yun talaga yung kanyang papel
mhm,
to communicate to a larger audience so that she can put yung mga sinasabi ng Pangulo, yung mga ginagawa ng Pangulo, yung mga accomplishment ng Pangulo in the proper context at in a manner, in a style, in a language na maiintindihan ng nakararaming nating mga
mhm,
kababayan. No? So she has a role to play and she's doing it very well, very well.
mhm. Oo, marami pong nag-guest po kami, mga dati po mga spokespersons po no, ng past administrations. Mataas ang ranking nila kay Yusek Claire at normally in the high, ano, kung 10 being the highest, mga nasa 8, 9, puro ganun. At what they particularly appreciate daw ay yung pagiging, yung pagpalag. Pagpalag ni Yusek Claire, no? Minsan ho ba hindi kayo kinakabahan, Sec Dave, na nako, baka medyo nag-cross the line ang ating anti-Claire this time. Pinag-uusapan niyo ho ba yan, Sec Dave?
Oo naman, oo naman. Lagi naman kaming may alignment meeting bago mag-briefing si Jose Claire. Pinag-uusapan namin yung messaging on the issues of the day, no? Pero hinahayaan namin siyang ipaliwanag yung mga issues na to in her own style. We don't want to cramp her own style. Sabi ko nga,
Mhm.
she resonates very well with a larger audience. So we just discuss the messaging and the narrative that we want to put forward. But at the end of the day, it's Yusek Claire in her own style who communicates those messages.